In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy while using LinkedIn, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference. Specifically, we're going to turn off your active status so other people won't see when you're currently online. This can be useful if you want to browse quietly, review profiles without extra attention, or simply keep your activity a bit more private. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home screen where you normally see posts, updates, and content from your network. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the page and click on Me. This opens the account menu where you can access your profile and personal settings. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of the controls related to your account, security, and how visible you are to other users. If you haven't explored this section before, it's a good place to know, since many privacy options are stored here. After the settings and privacy opens, find and click on visibility. The visibility section is where you can manage what other people are able to see about your profile and activity. This includes settings connected to your presence on the platform, which is exactly what we want to adjust. Next, click on Manage Active Status. This setting controls whether LinkedIn shows other people that you're active right now or recently active on the platform. If this is turned on, your connections or other users may be able to tell when you're online. To hide your activity, click on No One. Selecting this option turns off your visible active status, which means other people won't be able to see when you're online on LinkedIn. Keep in mind that on many platforms, when you hide your own active status, you may also lose the ability to see the active status of others. So that's something to be aware of. And that's it. Once you select No One, your setting is updated and your activity visibility is reduced right away. If you ever want to change it back later, you can return to the same menu and choose a different option. This is a simple but helpful privacy adjustment, especially if you use LinkedIn regularly and want more control over how visible you are while browsing. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to hide your activity on LinkedIn.